Hello everyone. Today's idiom is in deep water, means in trouble or in a difficult situation. When you are in difficult situation or in a problem, that time you can use this idiom that you are in a deep water. Here I have given 3 examples. Very first is the world economy is in deep water now cause of corona pandemic. Again, I repeat, the world economy is in deep water now cause of corona pandemic. Second example, overpopulation bring us all in deep water directly or indirectly. Overpopulation bring us all in deep water directly or indirectly. Third one is unemployment bring youngsters of my country in deep water as they are facing depression and living under insecurities. Last one, and unemployment brings youngsters of my country in deep water as they are facing depression and living under insecurities. This idiom you can use in your writing section also and in your speaking section when you want to describe any difficult situation or problem. That time you can use this idiom. In essay writing, if question is based on problem question where you have to discuss and give the solution about certain kind of problem, that time also you can mention this idiom and you can describe the situation in a proper way. So hope you understand this idiom, and now it's your turn to do the task. Make one sentence using this idiom and share in comment section. If you like the video, please press like button and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.